Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making Burkina drink. This is a very popular snack here in Ghana and is consumed by the Muslim community, and now we the Christians have also joined in the fun. So stay tuned and let me bring you all the gist on making the proper version that they sell outside or on the streets.
These are the ingredients we are using for today's drink. We have millet powder here, which I have a recipe to on the channel. We also have store-bought yogurt, that's what we are using today, but we already have a recipe on the channel for homemade yogurt you can check out. We have heavy milk here, then we have some groundnuts, ginger powder, this is vanilla essence, we have some sugar for taste, and that's about it. We'll be adding some water to the millet powder to make the millet balls. For more gist on that, you can check the first video on the channel on making Burkina drink, where we made the millet balls and then we cooked it and all of that. I'm not going to show too much of that here because we have that in the first video. This is just an updated version of the first video, so stay tuned and let's get started.
Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe.
So I'm going to add in some water like we did for the first video, and then I'll move it around in the bowl. So you can see that the millet powder is soaked with water and has this kind of pearls or couscous look. The last time we continued from here and then combined everything together, but today I want it to look more defined. So I'm going to use the sieve here. And then I'll fetch some like this, push it into it. And then ensure we get more defined balls for the drink. So this is what we've got. I'm going to transfer it here, and then we'll use that same process to get more defined balls. Or you can also do this, instead of using your hand in a circular motion inside the sieve, you can shake it off like this. Just look at how beautiful it is. So nice. Our drink is going to look and taste amazing because the balls are really defined. Just look at that. So for the final stage, after getting all of these balls, I'm going to pour it here and then kind of shake it. So these are our grains ready to be cooked, and then after it's cooked and cooled, we move on to mixing, because we already have a video where we cooked it and then cooled it off. So I'm not going to show that today. I'll just cook it and then we continue from there. So we are going to wait till it cools off completely and there is no heat in it, and then we'll continue from there. After about 15 minutes of cooling it off completely, it's not hot anymore. You see, I can move my hands through it. It's very cooled. So we are going to continue the process from here by combining all the wet ingredients here, and then we add this in, and that is it. So I've poured 1 liter of the store-bought yogurt. I'm going to add in the milk. Then we'll add in this water here. I don't want it so thick. So we'll add in this. Then we'll add our sugar. And then half tablespoon of ginger powder. Then 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Mix everything together. For more taste, I'm adding in 3 tablespoons of milk powder, just to sweeten it to my taste, but this is totally optional. You can skip it. So I'm fetching some here, and then I'll pour it into it. Then we mix. So I'm going to keep adding in, and then I'll mix in. And this is our Burkina drink. Just look at that.
If you've been able to watch us from the beginning of this video till now, I would like you to subscribe to the channel and turn on your post and notification icon, so that you actually be the first person to get a notification when new videos are posted on Thursdays and Sundays, and also short videos from Monday to Sunday. Subscribe to this channel and I promise you are going to love it. Thank you for subscribing.
And then I'll add some groundnuts. And this is how it looks like when it's bottled. This is also how it looks like when it's served in a bowl and then in a drinking glass. And that's the rest of our drink. So try this recipe and let me know how you thought of it in the comment section.
And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Enjoy it. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.